In real life, you only got 2 sneezes with me, and then that third sneeze, I'm like, all right, you've been bust enough. It's like if you that sneezy, you need to take your sneezy ass home. You hit that fourth sneeze, it's like you really might have to get put out, and that's only if it's a cover sneeze. In real life, you got one raw dog sneeze, and I might falcon punch you. Genuinely, I might drop the paws off on you. One raw sneeze, and I'm coming through like.
Y'all niggas can't be around here no more, dog. Skedaddle. Get the fuck out of here. Get fucking